Hey everyone, it's Danny here, and I just pulled this filter dryer out of a two-door reach-in cooler, and I suspect that this filter dryer is plugged. So now, I'm going to cut it open right in front of you guys, and we're going to see what it looks like inside. Hopefully I'm right. Gonna open this all the way. There we go. Fit that right in. I'm gonna cut it right through the middle. Now there's a bunch of these beads that are inside these types of filter dryers, so they might spill out all in front of me. So let's see what happens. It's almost there. Here, I'm gonna bring this down on the table. Give me a sec. Here we go. Here it is. Let's see what it looks like. So here you go. Most of the beads are stuck in. Yep, still stuck. Now these beads should come out pretty fairly easily, very loose, but they're all stuck together, hard, very stiff. Almost have to whack them out. Or both sides still have some stuck inside, as you can see. So this is what happens when a filter dryer is restricted. Refrigerant has a hard time flowing through them, flowing through it, and therefore the system malfunctions. So yeah, so needless to say, I'm gonna replace the filter dryer, and then we'll go from there. Once again, this is Danny. Hopefully you enjoyed this video.